Hey everyone, Coach Pippin here from Pippin Performance, and welcome to the Fit Project, your weekly workout designed to help you be strong, be mobile. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel below so you can get the latest workouts as they're posted. The workout today will focus on everything mobility, and as part of our quickie workout series. It'll take about 10-12 minutes, but obviously if something feels really good, by all means keep doing it for longer. No rules here. Our mobility team is total body, and we're going to go through everything one time with a few reps for each. The great thing is no equipment is needed, so you have no excuses not to get this in on the regular. A quick reminder, everything should feel awesome while you're doing this. If you feel any pain, just simply back off a little bit. Alright guys, let's get into this. Today's workout includes shoulder carves, sideline hip carves, down dog to the greatest stretch ever, 99 windmills, 99 transfers to butterfly, and then we're going to end everything up with spinal carves. Alright guys, let's get into it. So I'm going to take a tall kneeling position, and we're going to do shoulder carves. So you can do this standing. I'm just going to do it in the tall kneeling position. Gives you a little bit better balance and you're less likely to fall forward. So we're going to do 3 reps for each arm. Take your left hand, act like you're punching down to the floor so you create a little bit of tension. Ab and butt engaged. Take our hands straight up to the ceiling. Hold that position. We're going to start to internally rotate. So think that elbow is rolling over. And I'm going to swoop back and behind me. Coming down very slow. We're going to touch the back side of the palm to the pocket. And now we're going to reverse. Taking it back up nice and smooth. Externally rotating. Coming up over the top. And all the way back down. 2 more guys. Back up. All the way up, get that good extension of that shoulder, rotating through, rotating, coming down, pause, and reverse. Back up, you should be able to get a little bit bigger on this second rep. And last one, guys, get as big a circle as you can possibly draw here. Tap out there, start to roll it over, getting that rotation, guys, coming back down, pause, and rewind. All the way up, carve out as much as you can, get that big space, and all the way down to through. So now I'm going to switch sides. Now we're going to go on the left. So once again, it's nice and tight, butt, abs engaged, head over the spine, punch the floor with your right hand, and slowly come up. And start your rotating. Rotate. I don't care how big your circle is, the most important thing is getting as much rotation as humanly possible, and back down. 2 more. Up, wind it up. Try to really roll that elbow bone over. If your elbow is the thing that's rotating, that means it's coming from your shoulder, guys. And back down. Last one. Let's get the biggest circle possible. Create tension everywhere. Nothing's moving except my arm. Rolling it over, and down, and back up. Carve out as much space. And back down. Alright guys, now we're going to get to sideline hip carves. So we're going to lay on our side. We're going to start with the left leg, so we're going to be on our right. Just get comfy with your head. You can either go here, or you can put a pillow, whatever you want to do. You just want to feel a little bit of tension using your bottom leg to drive into the floor. Keep your hips stacked. They're going to want to roll. Try not to let too much move. Let's pull the left knee toward the chest. We're going to lift the left knee straight up to the ceiling. Here's where it gets tricky. We're going to try to rotate that foot. Once it can't rotate anymore, we're going to start to swoop back down to the floor and pull through. We're going to reverse, taking it back. Try to lift the foot up. Feel this nice sticky feeling here. Rotate and down and through. We're going to get 2 more guys. Back up. Up. Rotate that foot. Coming down. And through, reverse. So if you're doing this properly, guys, your leg is going to feel extremely heavy. This is not easy. We're just building a better hip. Pull it back up, get a little bit more space. Rotate. Feel that sticky feeling right here in the hip. I'm trying to get a little bit more behind. Pull through and reverse. Last one. Kind of stamp that foot on the wall behind you. Lift up. Rotate. And down. Let's switch sides. So we're laying on our left. We're going to work the right leg. Drive that left leg down to the floor to create more tension. Pull the right knee up. Lift. Rotate that foot, get as much rotation, the knee swooping, down, down, and through, and reverse. Stamp the wall behind you, try to lift with the foot first. It's not gonna happen very well, but you still try. You can't get any more. Rotate and down. 2 more, guys, back up, open, rotate foot, keep getting rotation, just like the shoulder part, back through, reverse. Stamp the foot, try to lift the foot, rotate, and down. 1 more, guys. Your hips should be nice and burning. Up, rotate, and through, and reverse. Back, lift that foot, lift that foot, lift that foot, rotate, and down. Good. So, our shoulders and hips are nice and warmed up, and now we're going to do what we call down dog to greatest stretch ever. It's just combining 2 moves you've probably done before, and just kind of helps a little bit of everything. So we're going to get into our down dog position. So start with push up. Push your hips back. This should feel really good. You can shift your hips back and forth. Push your ankles down. You guys can really stay here as long as you want. You're going to open that back up. And so now, come to the push up position. You're going to slowly bring your left foot up to your hand. Get here. Try not to move too fast. You can play a little bit here. Lock that right leg out. The left hand is going to slowly rotate up to the ceiling. Create maximal length. Lock that right leg out. And take it back down. Move those hips again. Back up. Reach, reach, reach. Lock that right leg out. And back down. Move those hips a little bit more. And last one. Reach up. And back down. Plant your hands. Slowly take your left foot back. Good. Go back to down dog. Try to get a little bit more out of it. Try to push your chest backwards. Pushing them toward the knees. Get a little more length. Come back to that push-up position. Now we're going to slowly bring our right foot up to our right hand. Move your hips around. Don't freak out, guys, if one hip feels a little tighter than the other. Just play. Take our right hand now. Reach, reach, reach. Trying to lock that left leg out. Back down. Play with those hips a little bit more. Feels good. Back up. Reach, reach, reach. Lock that left leg. Back down. Move a little bit. Last one, guys. Reach. Really try to open that sternum up. Reach the hand to the ceiling. Create that length. Good. And back down. We'll take it back to down dog one more time. Try to really push those hips back and up. Breathe. And slowly take it right back down. All right, guys. Now we're going to get to 90-90 windmills. So we're going to take our 90-90 position. So if you're not familiar with 90-90, it's just a great position to do a lot of cool things out of. Take your front left leg, it's going to be here. It's going to run parallel to your right leg, and then the foot's going to slide down this guy. So this guy's in line, this guy's in line, and this guy's in line. Get on our left forearm, our left fist is going to be pretty close to our left knee, elbows next to the hip. We're going to take our right hand, we're going to reach as far out as we possibly can. You're going to feel a big stretch all through your rib cage. And now I'm going to take my hand and slowly roll over, trying to rotate my sternum up and trying to draw the biggest circle I can with my right arm. And swoop through. We're going to do that 2 more times. Reach, reach, reach. Real slow, real slow. And through. Last one. Let's see how big of a circle we can get. Get as much range as you possibly can. I'm trying to reach, 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 and open that bad boy up. All the way through. And back to the starting position. Let's switch sides. So now we're going to go right leg in front. Once again, you want this shin parallel to this guy. This one's going to run in the same line. Take my right fist, put it in line with my knee, elbows in line with the hip. Left hand, we're going to reach. Reach out as far as you can. Draw that big circle. Really try to open that sternum up. This is probably one of my favorite feeling stretches of all time. All of my clients definitely request this on a regular basis. Reach, reach, reach. Open, open, open. And last one, guys. Let's get the biggest range we possibly can. Use your fingers to walk yourself out through that big stretch in your rib cage, all throughout your thoracic spine. Reach, 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 always breathing, open, 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 and all the way through. So now we're gonna work on some transitions. So right now I'm in what we call right leg forward, left leg back 90-90. We're gonna transition this to a butterfly into the other 90-90. So this is very taxing on the hips, but it feels really good. I request that you guys try to keep one hand on the ground. If you're really mobile, you can definitely go hands up, but as you're learning this position, I would highly recommend keeping one hand on the ground. So what we're going to do, we're gonna radiate tension. We're gonna try to pick our left foot up off the ground. You notice that I'm leaning, that's totally fine. I'm gonna pull knee into the armpit. I'm gonna rotate, and I'm gonna get into butterfly. We've all seen this stretch before. Where you get here, you can definitely take some time here. Keep playing a little bit. And now I'm going to take my right leg up, get onto my left arm, pull it in, and I'm going to switch to that other 90-90 position. Sit here for a second if you want, and now we're going to take it back. Right leg up, pull in, rotate into butterfly, right hand comes out to the other side, pick the foot up, pull it in, and reverse. Good. So that's one. We're going to do that transition 2 more times. Left leg up, pull in, into butterfly, left hand goes down. You're almost going to transfer your other sit bone, pull up, and rotate through. Get tall. I'm making this look very easy. Trust me guys, this is not, especially if you've never done this before. Picking this trail leg up, it's very taxing. Switch, up, and back. Get tall. We're going to go one more guys. Up, pull it in, rotate, down, up, pull it in, get tall, rotate those hips a little bit, this just feels good. Last one, pull it up, in, down, left leg up, rotate, and down. Awesome guys. All right, we're gonna finish up with what we call spinal car. So we're gonna take that quadrupedal position, meaning get on all fours. We're gonna go hands directly underneath the shoulders, knees directly underneath the hips. What we're going to try and do is imagine an elevator is going up and down our spine. So we're going to start with what we call the cat position, so look like the scariest cat you've ever seen. I'm going to imagine that elevator is going to ride up my spine. This is very challenging. It takes a huge brain kind of muscle connection. Don't freak out if you get lost, just do the best you can. So we're going to start first by going from our tailbone, trying to stick it out, and you'll see I'm going to straight up my spine, trying to make each vertebrae move one by one. Still pushing my butt out. I can't get any more in my lumbar, so now I'm going to start to extend my upper back. Can't get any more there, now I'm going to extend my neck. So right now I'm in complete spinal extension. It's like I'm trying to squeeze all the back sides of my vertebrae together. And now I'm going to reverse it. I'm going to drop my chin. I'm going to start to push my upper back up to the ceiling. Then I'm going to slowly start to tuck my pelvis and return to that scared cat position. Take a breath or 2 here. And reverse. Start at your tailbone. Imagine that elevator is going up your spine. Nice and smooth. Keep breathing. It really helps if you keep your eyes closed here, guys. Focus on what's happening. Try to extend that upper back. And then extend that neck. And reverse. Chin down, upper back. Now we're into those ribs. And now we're into that lower back, tucking the pelvis. We're going to go one more each direction. Pelvis, lower back, kind of the ribs, upper back, and neck, and reverse. Tuck it. The upper back up to the ceiling, the ribs, mid-back, lumbar, and tuck the pelvis. Take a nice big breath here. This should feel really good. And then slowly come out of it. All right, guys, that's the end of the workout. Hopefully you learned some mobility work. It's accessible anytime, anywhere. And as always, remember to be strong, be mobile.